Well guys, I think we might get wet today, but I want to go hiking. So hopefully this GoPro audio isn't screwed up anymore. It's been making this little popping and fuzzy sound in the background. If that continues to be a case, I may end up calling GoPro and see what's going on there. Otherwise, we are going to Rocky Knob Recreation Area today in Virginia. It's just off the Blue Ridge Parkway. It's only about a 2.3 mile hike, but it's about 500 feet elevation, so decent amount of exercise. And I think we're gonna get some pretty sweet views. Right, Deanna? Deanna? Oh, there's Deanna. All right, let's go. Kapow! We made it to Rocky Knob Recreation Area. It has a view at the very beginning. I think we're done. You ready?
All right, let's go home.
Yeah, we already got our view. We don't even have to hike anymore. Look at that. I truly am satisfied though, but we'll still go for a hike. We decided it might be wise to look at the map first. All right, so Rocky Knob, where are we at?
Right here.
Right here. Okay, so there's a grassy knoll off this way, so it looks like we actually want to hike this way, right?
I don't know which trail it is.
All right, so we're not really sure where we're going, but I'm just gonna follow Deanna because she's never wrong. So now the sun's out. Well, we're getting sprinkled on earlier. I locked the truck, didn't I? I'm gonna go lock the truck. So we're still kind of confused on where this trail is, but we're just gonna kind of start hiking and remember our way back. All right, I think we're on the right trail now.
Yeah.
Pretty sweet. I think I might need to get a photo on my phone too. So it's nice getting in under some shade with that sun shining on you with this humidity. It's like really humid today. So it's pretty warm, so a little shade cover makes a big difference. Check out that view. We picked a beautiful day to do this. Again, I'm already satisfied with the hike. We can make this a quarter-mile hike. Still have quite a ways to go. Back into the forest we go. Deanna and I have decided it's like hiking through a cloud right now. It's so humid. Just, it's hard to breathe almost. It's just so thick. Every once in a while there's this really nice relief of a cool breeze. And those sure do feel nice. Definitely a rocky trail. Booster trail running shoes. Don't fall off. It appears as though the trail is flattening out a little bit here, but I believe we're going up to the top of that little mountain over there. I feel like I say I'm out of shape in every video because we don't do very long hikes very often anymore. Not as much as we'd like, so yes, we're still out of shape. Picnic ground, comfort station that way. Maybe shelter if this ends up being a thunderstorm. Otherwise, we're gonna keep on going up. Did hear some thunder off in the distance. Hopefully it's far away because we're climbing up to the top of a mountain. Looks like we made it to the intersection of going to Saddle Overlook or Rocky Knob. We're going up the Rocky Knob. Elevation gain, here we come. Switchbacks galore. It appears most of the elevation gain on this trail is just getting to the Rocky Knob. This is actually part of a 10-mile loop, I believe, so you can see a lot more overlooks than what we're seeing today. Looks like we got another switchback. Look at those views. see for miles and miles and miles. Getting pretty rocky up here towards the top. Guess that's why they call it Rocky Knob. Hiking along a little ridgeline right now up to the top. By little, I mean it's like 15, 10, 20 feet wide at most. And view. But yeah. Looks like there might be getting some rain off that way. Which means Blaze might be getting a little stirred up in the RV. Obviously, I didn't mention at the beginning, but we left him behind. A little bit of a strenuous hike for the dog, and it's a very humid day. He would not have enjoyed this very much. But whenever we find some fairly easy and flat trails, that's where we'll take him along. Yeah, look how high up we are right now compared to those cars down there. I'm guessing probably about 1,000 feet higher. Somewhere around there. Now off down to this little cabin here. So if it is storming up here, really do have shelter. Yeah, nice little shelter. Deanna and Shane approved. Stamp. Absolutely beautiful. Well guys, we're gonna start making our way back down this mountain and show you the reverse view. It's like, what the heck is this? Deanna decided to play with her whistle. People are gonna think we're in trouble now. I'm getting back down towards the Blue Ridge Parkway down here. Still have a ways to go because we hike pretty much in parallel with the Blue Ridge Parkway back to the parking lot. But the majority of the descending elevation is now complete.
Don't fall.
I never fall. Seen quite a few little lizards or something. I don't know if they're just small snakes or what. I'm assuming they're lizards, but they move so fast I couldn't see what they were. Jumping off this trail, so. Snizzards? Possibly. I didn't see any legs there moving so quick. Gotta love this view. All right, guys, made it back up to the parking lot. Good hike?
Yeah.
It was fun. Definitely recommend it. Probably another one of those moderate trails. Not too easy, not too hard. Easy if you're in shape. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video hiking the Rocky Knob at Rocky Knob Recreational
area.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of us hiking up the Rocky Knob at Rocky Knob Recreation Area here in Southwest Virginia. Well guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at
DnSAdventures.com.
And as always,
Adventure on.
There's a little turtle. Turtle, turtle.